What's up, chicas? So in today's video, we're gonna clean my room and we're gonna get ready for Christmas. Okay, it's December 1st. It's time to decorate for Christmas. It's probably the latest time I've decorated for Christmas. But I always decorate my room. Really cute. So I'm gonna show you guys this messy room and then we're gonna clean it up and then take out some Halloween and fall decor and we're gonna put out the Christmas. So this is the disastrous room. You know, I don't really ever get it to be this messy. You know, because I'm usually a really clean girl. Like, look, my dresser here, it looks kind of clean. Okay, and then here's here. Oh, the bed is always usually made, but it's made. Clothes. And then we have our bags. Some clothes and stuff, you know, clothes, Christmas gifts. My desk, not too bad. My closet's always clean. But honestly, I usually keep my room really clean all the time. But when it gets to school and work, it gets a little hectic. But we gotta do a few things. Gotta cue the lights. Okay. Hold on, call. It's the daddy-o. So it's currently pretty late now, 7:34. So I know I'm gonna be going to sleep in this bed soon. So it's like, why make it? But like, we're gonna make it. I always have to like wrestle my bed to make it. Like, it's just like not fun sometimes. So the bed's getting there. I just gotta like clean up this stuff now. So we have some improvement. I'm just folding some clothes, you know, and I folded the blankets. This is my new blanket that my grandma made me. Shirto. We put it in the red section because my closet is color-coded. Alright guys, now we're going to tackle this part of the room because it's kind of messy over here.
Claudia, I got more clothes for you.
Oh, thanks.
There you go.
Thanks. You know what I'm filming?
No.
Well, thanks, Mama. We should probably put these clothes away now. Computer up here, and guys, this is my work turtleneck, you know. I don't really like wearing this to work, but hey, what's up, chicas? It's the next day, December 2nd, and our room is perfectly clean now. So last night, it was pretty late when I was filming, so I kind of did some other things. Yeah, I know. And right when I woke up this morning, I finished cleaning my room, and I was like, you know, how would I just save them from, you know, kind of being bored from the same, like, repeated fast cleaning? And I really wanted to get to decorating for Christmas, like, today. I'll show you guys the finished product, because, girl, I did good here. The only thing that's not right now is I have some Cheez-Its out, because I love Cheez-Its. And I wore a festive sweater, because Christmas. Okay, we'll start with my door, walking into my vanity area. Everything on top of here is pretty clean, you know. And then down there, oh, very nice and clean. We have our makeup, that stuff. Over here, the dresser was already pretty clean. Okay. We only got some food over here, and then, you know, we got my bed. Okay. And then this stuff just needs to be put away for, like, I think fall. And then our desk has a huge improvement here as well. Like, it's pretty improved. And then my little purse area in this area, there's nothing on the ground. So I think we have a pretty improved, clean room here. Let's start decorating for Christmas. All my decorations are up here. So let's get these babies out. Okay, I already see some ornaments and a rug sticking out. All right, guys, so I got all of the decorations down. And who's excited to dig into these? Like, oh my gosh. What are we gonna start with? Let's start from the top. So we got a wreath here. I want to put it right there. So I'm just going to take this C down and then I'm going to put this wreath up. And I'm going to put this wreath up. And this wreath I actually made myself in a DIY video 2 years ago. So if you guys want to check that DIY video out, you guys should. Now we need to take our, you know, really pretty colored blanket out because it's not really that Christmassy. And we'll put that up, you know, after Christmas. And we have our gingerbread blanket, which I actually made. At least we got it on the bed now. I really wanted you guys to see me while I do this, so I put the tripod up. I'm sorry if you didn't want to see me. So yeah, we also have our Mary pillow. I love this pillow. We're gonna put this one on my bed and we're gonna take off our summer pillow. This one is pretty summery. We're gonna take that down. And we are going to put Christmas pillowcases on my regular pillows here. Because my Grammy, she makes the beautifulest, if that's a word, pillowcases. And I have some Christmas ones here. We have a little gingerbread one. And we have one with little peppermints on it. Like, why is this a struggle getting a pillowcase on? Like, I'm really not skilled. Look how cute this looks. I just put the Mary pillow on. There's the peppermint one, the gingerbread one's back there. And there's our Mary pillow, and I just put our blanket down. I think it looks pretty cute. So far our bed is Christmas pie. So I just showed my mom, you know, my pretty bed, and just to criticize it. So what happened?
I didn't criticize it. No, she had the blanket going the opposite way.
Yeah.
So the gingerbread were going up.
So I just changed it so you guys can see the gingerbread going up, okay? So something I got a few years ago is this really cute little like snowflake rug. Yeah, I know it's really small, but I always would put it like right here. So when I get out of my bed, I like have, if I could step on my Christmas rug, it'll feel festive. So now let's unbox some more things here. This was a DIY that I made a few years ago. This I'll put out on probably my dresser up here. This is a little thing that my mom got me last year. It says, great things come with those believe. So if you believe, great things will come. We have some like more ornaments. I don't know if I would be using these. These are for like DIYs and stuff. So then my favorite thing that like we have not talked about is I have my Christmas tree. It is a really mini, small Christmas tree. These lights need adjusted, and then we're gonna have to decorate it with the ornaments that I have for it. I think I have some ornaments in here. What's in here? Oh, look at all those ornaments. So I finished my tree. It looks really cute. I know it's really small, but I love it. So I just put on these little sparkly ornaments. I put in some of those little gold pine cones. I have these really nice macaroon ornaments that my mom got me. I know they're huge for this tree, but like I just put a few on. I thought they were cute. And it's gonna go up on top of my dresser there. So I just did quite the decorating. So I put the wreath up, and I had 2 more hooks on there. So I took down that little corkboard, and I thought, why not put the little stocking and a little picture of me and my sister with our stockings. So I thought that was cute. I hope that's not like too cluttery, but I really liked that. And now my dresser area, I'm still working on like this side. But I put my tree up, as you guys saw, it's super cute. This I want to put some candy in. It's this little Merry Christmas tin. I have this little snowman that lights up that I'll show you guys. My boss gave me. I know, isn't it adorable? I have to put my Christmas candle out, which we're gonna do a Christmas haul. And I have this little Santa my boss gave me, so I'm gonna put that on here as well. So I think that's my dresser. I think it looks cute. This needs cleaned up, you know that. And then what I did is I put up my mom's idea. I put some poinsettias and pine cones in there. And I thought this little arrangement was like really cute. And then we have a few more things to put out that I'm gonna put in some different places. I was thinking about putting like this little tree over here on like my desk. You know, something like that. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Alright guys, so I'm so happy that this room is finally Christmasified, whatever. But now I have to show you guys all these amazing candles that I got and my mom got at the candle sale that was yesterday. It was like $8.95 a candle at Bath & Body Works, which is great. So we had a lot of Christmas ones, and my mom got some other things. Some of these are gifts, so they're not all for us. And I'll show you guys mine second, but I'm going to show you guys some of my mom's first. First, non-candles we'll show you, and I just wanted to add this in here because, like, you know, it's not really festive without like Bath & Body Works holiday candles. But we also did get some soaps. These are my mom's. She got some Frosted Cranberry soap. Not my favorite scent. I don't know if she got them, but yeah, she actually got 3 Frosted Cranberry soaps. She got a Sparkling Snow one, which I want in my room. And then she got a Winter Candy Apple. Not one of my favorite scents either. But then the stuff that's like mine and my mom's, that this one lotion here is mine, and then the sleep like the body wash is my mom's, and it's in the new scent Black Chamomile. And this is a lotion. Isn't this bottle like cute? I don't know, I think it's super cute. And it smells so good. Like if you guys are in there, definitely smell this. 10. In total we got 10 candles. 4 of them are mine, and then the other 6 are like my mom's and for gifts. But like all 4 of them may not be mine. Like I might give some to some friends as well. First one we have here is the Marshmallow Fireside. This is like our favorite scent ever. Like it smells so delicious. Actually, I think we got 2 of the Marshmallow Fireside here. Text. Then we got a Fresh Balls, and this is also a really nice scent. It's the perfect Christmas tree Christmas scent. We got a Black Cherry Merlot. It smells like black cherries, like wine. I don't know, my mom likes it a lot. And then my mom got 2 of the Frosted Cranberry scent. I mean, I don't think this is like an amazing scent, but my mom, like, I don't know why, she's somewhat like really obsessed with this scent. So now this is the candles that I got. The first one that I see here is a Marshmallow Fireside. I know, this is my favorite scent, I know. Wait, we actually got 2 Marshmallow Fireside. Just smells like a nice toasty marshmallow on a nice warm night. And then we have a, ooh, this one is a new one that I haven't tried. It's called Chestnut and Clove. And I don't know why, I just really liked it. And it's like chestnut, clove, and cedar wood. And then I have another fresh balls in here because I thought this was a nice Christmas tree set because I don't have a real tree. That's everything from Bath & Body Works. We definitely did some damage there, but I mean, what can I say? They have really nice candles. I think we pretty much decorated and cleaned and got ready for Christmas. So thank you guys for coming along with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We have more Christmas videos coming soon. But if you guys went to the candle sale, let me know. And also, if you're decorating for Christmas, put some, you know, Christmas music on and go decorate because it's December 2nd. For me, at least. I don't know when this video is going to go up, but I hope soon. Okay, I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. Love you all so much. Bye, guys.